Welcome to my presentation. This is my homework one, and I am thinking about ITS solution to solve a problem, traffic related and social related problem. Uh, Today I want to talk about the topic of my presentation is solving urban social isolation for seniors. I use intelligent transportation to solve the social isolation of seniors. And next, in the next slide, the agenda of today is I'll discuss about the urban social isolation. It's growing day by day is my first topic. Then I will discuss about the gap of existing ITS systems. After that, I'll talk about AI-driven mobility network, how we can build this system. And next, we'll discuss about how the components are works. And lastly, I will discuss on projected benefits of the issue. So let's get deep inside the topic. Firstly, the urban social isolation is a growing problem day by day because by 2050, 20% of population will be more than 65 year in many countries. So it's a problem. And seniors people in the city will face difficulties to access transportation facility, and they have less mobility, reduce outing, and feel isolation. And this has psychological and health related consequences that 29% dementia related risk is increasing. It also increase depression among senior citizens, and also uh, increase healthcare cost as well. So current solution is ride sharing or bus, but public transport is not that much effective for the senior citizen. Those are actually reactive and expensive, and not focusing exclusively considering the benefits of senior citizens. So let's discuss on the gap of existing ITS system. Traditional ITS actually only deals with electric vehicle emission control, congestion reduction, and safety, and focuses on vehicle and traffic, not actually connected with human well-being directly or social needs. So in this consideration, ITS sensor or AI-based technology can be deployed to analyze or study mobility pattern, and that will segregate the isolation of human isolation from society, or the identify the people who needs help, especially the elderly people. And actually, no system is such proactive uh, to rebuild community ties. So I think that this is a great place to explore. So what can be the AI-driven social mobility network? The core idea is to predict ITS, use ITS and predict the data, and identify the isolation risk, then auto group the risk senior at risk seniors, and share and low cost ride, and ensure share and low cost ride for those people. And also those vehicle or ride sharing will be equipped with dynamic routing, and this dynamic routing will be ensured through reinforced learning and V2X technology. And one thing can be considered that three neighbor heading to community garden, maybe we can join them together so that this way AI-driven technology will identify them and provide demand responsive service, demand responsive ride share service for them, and ensure their social mobility. And how this actually framework works. Firstly, sensing and prediction, then dynamic matching and routing, and lastly, intervention and feedback. So first of all, for sensing and prediction, AI flags for isolation hotspot will be arise. Then cluster the people, the elderly or the senior citizen who needs this service, match them together and cluster together, and provide the routing, optimize using autonomous or electric shuttle vehicle, then apply voice notification through app and ensure post-trip well-being and from this using learn from this using continuous learning and get the feedback of this service. It may be autonomous through autonomous or electric shuttle vehicle, and these three are the components for the service. And why it is matters? What is the benefit? Say it will reduce healthcare, especially healthcare related transport burden, and also reduce the loneliness. Uh, and this type of ride share ensure lower emission and local economy will be boost since seniors can go out of their home and maybe more active. And we can compare this with existing public services available for aging cities like Tokyo, Bangkok, New York. And the challenge is, so how can we integrate the whole system and use this for the social need? And privacy can be an issue. And federated learning, how can we aggregate the learning, and equity bias checks is also an issue for this system, can be system. And thank you so much. This is all about my presentation topic on solving urban social isolation for seniors with ITS. That is intelligent transportation. That's it.